Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use AI for product description. So, first of all guys, I wanted you to go ahead and open any kind of browser on your PC. For example, for me, I'm using Google Chrome, and from here, I will go ahead and open this website, which is OpenAI. Now, go ahead and click on this button, which is try. It is in the top of the website, and then this page shall be open for you. They will ask you first to go and log in, so you can just log in using your accounts. You can log in using Gmail or Facebook or Twitter account, or just create a new one using email, password, and phone number. Now, let's go ahead and write here hi, and let's check if the bot is actually working. So it is working. Can you help me with my product description? So of course, what is the product and what offers would you like to include in the description? So my product, for example, is, for example, let's say that you are selling like shoes. So uh, I'm a, I have shoes brand, or like I have clothes brand, and I need a description for my hoodies. Oh, sure. I'd be happy to help you with that. Can you tell me about more about your hoodies? What materials are they made from? Do they have any unique features or designs? So let's say, for example, uh, they came with customized, I don't know, arts and colors. They have the best materials and the price is really good. So let's see. Great, I can definitely use that information to help you craft an effective product. A description, here's an example. Introduction, our latest collection of hoodies featuring unique and eye-catching designs. So as you can see, it's actually making us a product description for our product, which is, for in my case, a hoodie. So you can just copy this and put it in your product description. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you learned something from this, and see you in the next tutorial.